Hi, welcome to Hardware Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me XIAOMI 13T Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to clean USB charging port using household items. To do it, you need to firstly open the cover, if you have the cover. Then I suggest you use a notice brush, which you no longer use because this is the best tool and you can't damage your port using this tool. And just insert the one part of the brush and brush the dirt out. Cool, that's it. So thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.